The Viking culture. The Vikings were descendants of the Germanic people who began to move to the European region 400 years ago. They settled in Scandinavia, a region that includes Denmark, Norway, and Sweden. Most of the Vikings were free men and many of them peasants who grew cereals, fruit, and vegetables, in addition to raising cattle, pigs, sheep, and goats. Merchants created settlements near the coast, both in Scandinavia and when they traveled. The Vikings were expert sailors, so it is not surprising that they were responsible for some of the greatest exploratory achievements of the ancient world. The Vikings believed in a large number of gods. The most important of them was Odin. He was the king of the Scandinavian gods and was believed to live in a place called Asgard, the house of the gods. The Vikings were great warriors who liked to plunder other lands. They began their raids in 719, attacking the coast of England, Ireland, and Scotland. The warriors used to appear suddenly in small groups of chiefs, jumping ashore with their spears, swords, and axes. They plundered towns, churches, and monasteries. Then, as quickly as they had come, made themselves back to the sea. They believed that the spoken word had magical powers, and with that invoked gods. His beliefs were mostly in Norse mythology. Their axes, helmets, and shields gave runes that they said gave them more power. They believed that those who died in battle were remembered be being able to enter to Valhalla, where they rested and prepared of the battle of the Ragnarok, the end of the world.